Hey there, Bronco. Did you know that students who attend tutoring sessions have proven to earn higher grades and develop more confidence in succeeding in challenging courses? Let me also ask you a question. Do you think you're either good or not good at a subject such as math, English, or science? Or do you believe you can work over time with effort, good strategies, and feedback from others to improve? Confidence and success in a course is often developed through effort, good strategies, and taking advantage of help from others. At this point of the semester, you would have received feedback from your professors in different forms, such as test and quiz scores, return assignments and papers, early academic progress survey given to you by the 4th or 5th week of the semester, and possibly midterm grades. And you either feel very proud of your academic performance, or you find yourself struggling in some of your courses. Despite where you are, academic support services are beneficial to all students. It can be the difference between an A- or an A, or a passing grade and a failing grade. So, in this video, we will discuss how to access the academic support services and the benefits of taking advantage of these free opportunities. To access the academic support services, be sure to visit the BCC Learning Commons website, where you will find the various virtual tutoring services, such as in Math and Science, the Writing Center, specialized tutoring in different courses, and access to 24/7 online tutoring through Tutor.com. Let's review how to access each of these tutoring services. You can receive tutoring in Math and Science, Writing, and different courses from BCC Tutors by going to the Learning Commons website and following the instructions to join a virtual session. You can also access 24/7 online tutoring services for a diverse list of BCC courses such as Math of 5 and 23, Accounting 11, Bio 23 and 24, Art 11, English 110, Communication 11 or 20, Sociology 11, Psych 11, and many, many more. You can access Tutor.com by logging into your Blackboard and then clicking on the course that you need tutoring for. From the sidebar or course menu, click on Tools, and then scroll down and click on Tutor.com. You will be automatically connected to Tutor.com, where you can take a pre-questionnaire to prepare with the tutor, view all tutors currently available and schedule a session with one of them, submit assignments for review, and many other things. So be sure to explore Tutor.com at your own time. Here's how it works. You will be matched with the best qualified tutors based on the pre-questionnaire you will take, and instantly communicate with the tutor through a chat box or audio. You can share a file and use special tools such as graphing calculators and text editors. There's also a drop-off review service where you can submit your paper to receive feedback within 12 hours, and use the quiz bank to practice for upcoming tests in Math, Science, and English. For a more detailed guide, click on the section of links and resources in the BCC Learning Commons website. Now that you know how to access tutoring, here are some do's and don'ts to ensure the most successful tutoring experience. Be proactive by having questions outlined. Be prepared by having your online notes and class materials ready to be shared with your tutors. And be engaged by minimizing distractions. Lastly, don't give up. Remember that the struggle is where the learning takes place, and that tutoring is one of the best strategies to maintain good grades and build confidence. So be sure to take advantage of these free academic support services. That's all for this video, Broncos. If you need any assistance, please email learningcommons@bcc.cuny.edu. Thank you for watching.